What's up YouTubers? In this simple tutorial I'm going to show you how to add video inside your text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let's jump in Premiere Pro right now. So, this is the clip I'm going to use. After this I'm going to create text. Click here on File. Go on Legacy Title. Or you can click Ctrl+T. And then rename it. And then type the text you are going to use. Use this selective tool to increase it. And also, you can change any fonts you want. After typing it, close this tab. And then drop it on Timeline, on Video Track 2. On the top of your video. So, go on Effect Store. Search TrackMate key. And drop it on Video Clip layer. After, go on Effect Control. This is the TrackMate key setting. So, on this mat, we have to select Video 2, because the text layer is on Video Track 2, on Timeline. Wow! The effect is done. Guys, thanks for watching. For the someone who is questioned, comment down below, I will reply to him or her. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, and share it. May God bless you, bye bye.